Hello, 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 everybody. Welcome back to Nicole Creates Art of Beauty, or really, I changed my name to Nicole Creates Art. I felt it's beautiful already. I don't need to remind you guys that my art is beautiful. You all know that already. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm able to just record again and being able to upload videos for you guys. I know that I did some videos during the summer, but it got difficult in uploading videos online. It takes a long time where I was and all of that good fun stuff. So I decided to just go ahead and wait for another time, and the time is now. How have all of you been doing? What's been going on? Please make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos with everybody, and let them know, hey, I'm back. I know that you guys have been wondering what I've been up to, what I've been creating, and if you follow me on social media, Instagram, I'm Nicole Creates Art there, and also on Facebook, Nicole Creates Art. I do have a Twitter, but I haven't used it as much as I would like to. Twitter is a different beast to be able to handle, but I'm heavily on Instagram and Facebook stories. So anyway, as you can see here, I drew a flower. This would be like, I guess, the best thing to say, it's a nesting flower. So, and just having the different petals that kind of go in and out there. And yes, I've been drawing and learning more within that discipline with hopes that it would make my watercoloring and painting better, which it really has, and it really has expanded my mind more than I would ever dream of. I would ever thought could do. And as you can see here, I'm just adding different colors and different things. I'm using the Peerless Watercolors that you guys see me use all the time. And also mixing in Daniel Smith, Van Gogh, and I believe the Mijello Mission Gold watercolor paints. So I was just mixing those in and just going around and enjoying the massive size of this painting. I did this on the watercolor paper by Canson, their Montval version that's 140 pounds paper, and it's 9 by 12 in size. And the paper is actually pretty good. It's better than what their general watercolor paper that they have, but I use both. But I'm using the water brush instead regular water brushes, paint brushes. It's just easier for me to travel with than just having paint brushes and trying to carry glass and water around and water falling over, and I just didn't want to bother with that. But anyway, as you can see, my painting and my drawings have changed and grown a lot, and I'm really happy about that. I'm really proud of myself to be able to grow and to fight for that growth. And while I'm painting, I really don't think about too much. I'm just enjoying the process and enjoying the ability to create. I do watch, TV shows or YouTube videos from other content creators and enjoy their content while I create content in the process. I know that many of you have asked about my health and how things have been going, and it's been rough. It's been really rough. There's just a lot of different things that are worse, and I've just been figuring out the best ways to offset some of the problems that I've been having. I've had to use my cane more, and I don't want to have to use it so often, but I'm glad that I at least have the cane, and in the future I'll see if I can get the one that has the feet to be able to balance better on the cane. I've lost some weight, which is good, but I'm not sure. I haven't checked on how much weight, but I would like to continue with that process and have a more healthy life, if possible, with everything going on. But yes, I'm still in the middle of moving. It's a long process, but it's taught me just a lot. It taught me a lot about patience and learning just to be, just learn to be at peace and understand that things will come together when it will, and it will take time, but it'll be all right. And just be filled with joy that I am going forward in my life and trying to make things happen. So as you can see, there's more colors, and I allowed some time for it to dry, and so that then I can just work on, adding more colors and more things to it. In the description box below, I will have some affiliate links to the products that I used in this video. The affiliate is the link is to just actually give me a few cents, and a little bit of money to kind of help me out on my channel, and so I can get some more watercolor paper and paints and be able to paint and show you guys what I've been learning and what I've been growing in as an artist. I know that some of you have asked about live streams, if I'm going to really do some of those, and I noticed you guys seen a recent live stream that I did for like 10 minutes because I wanted to see if it would work. I do plan to do live streams again, but they will not be as long as what they used to be. So I haven't figured out how much time or how long they will be, but they won't be as long as what they were before, just because I'm having a lot of trouble with sitting up and being able to handle all of that. It's really painful for me to do a lot of those things, and my pain is worse than what it was before. So I have to kind of manage my time the best that I can. And unfortunately, live streams do take a bit out of me to do. But, it's something, again, that I'll be working on. But anyway, I will have things coming up on my Patreon in the coming weeks. And I will be reopening my Etsy store in the future. And I'll have some things hopefully soon on Redbubble and Zazzle. I was going to call it Dazzle, but yeah. On Zazzle, I'll have some items up there as well. This painting, it's a big painting actually for me. It's 9 by 12 in size, so it's pretty big. But I loved how the colors just came together and just blended well together and running into it together, and I just love that process, and I found that a lot of you guys and like the same thing too. But yes. And I'm just kind of just enjoying the process and adding more colors, the rose red into the reds and oranges, and learning more of what I can do to work on my painting. And I'm looking at it and I'm like, did I make a mistake? But those mistakes can be, fixed, and that's what I enjoy about watercolor painting and crafting. Anyway, thank you guys so much for coming to my channel, and please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my videos, and I will be seeing all of you soon. Thank you. All right, bye-bye.